Hey, what is going on, guys, and welcome to the video. Now, the absolute disaster of a vehicle I've got for you today is a 2005 Cadillac Escalade that is without question one of the grossest vehicles I've ever laid eyes on. Okay guys, well, no question, this is going to be one of the biggest details I've ever taken on, and as always, it's starting with the pre-wash rinse, and even though the paint might be looking okay now, when you guys see what I pulled off of it later, you won't believe it. And speaking of later in the video, the new owner of this Escalade was absolutely blown away by how good I got it looking, so be sure to stick around until the end of the video to catch that. Starting on these wheels now, and you might have noticed that the Escalade is rocking wheels from a Chevy, which is a little odd, but I'll still tackle them the same way, and that's with some wheel and tire cleaner and a variety of brushes to agitate loose all the dirt and brake dust stuck to them, and then a quick blast with the pressure washer and they're looking good again. With all 6 of the seats removed, we can take a look at the absolute carnage that I'm facing here. I really don't understand how this happens. I'll get to work gathering up all the larger pieces of old food and garbage. It's definitely not looking so good right now, as the carpet in here is pretty well trashed, so a lot of the fibers are stuck together and matted down. But knowing that it does have a longer pile, I'm pretty confident I'll be able to get it looking presentable again. But I have my doubts on it looking brand new, as when you abuse something as bad as this, you just can't expect to get it looking perfect again. And I already know that I'm going to need my green drill brush and a lot of carpet solution to loosen up the years of dirt, grime, and whatever else is trapped in these carpets. And even after making the first few passes, it's clear that while it's pulling up all kinds of crud, there's still going to be work to do. So I know that I'll need to repeat the entire process at least 2 times, sometimes even 3 or 4 times to be satisfied I've got them as clean as I can. And for any areas that still have stains after extracting, I'll follow up with the steamer a little bit later on. Here's the nearly 2 buckets full of concentrated and absolutely disgusting filth pulled from the Escalade today. And I'll tell you now that the camera isn't doing this justice because it was dark brown. Gross. Here's a nice close-up shot for you guys to show you just how filthy the leather actually was. It doesn't take long, and there's brown goop just falling off the side of the seat here. I'm using detailing clay on the paint, which easily picks up and removes any surface bonded contaminants like tar, tree sap, and other road fallout, and it's pretty shocking to see what the clay pulled off this paint. Be sure to check it out over at detailgeekautocare.com, where you can find the glass cleaner and waffle weave towels bundled together for additional savings. how's it going?
Looks crazy.
Yeah, it is looking good now, eh?
Carpets look brand new.
Yeah, not too bad.
Wow.
Pretty
Good
good
job. You did awesome, man.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate that.
Sweet.
Wow. Thanks, Mitch. Appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Amazing. Love it. Well,
Yeah.
thank you very much.
Later, huh? Yeah,
Thank you.
Enjoy it.
Yeah,
Thanks, man.
thank you.